In today's video, I am partnering with FabFitFun to show the recent release of their fall box. I have partnered with FabFitFun in the past, and I am really loving everything they have to offer. If you are new to FabFitFun, let me fill you in. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products. The seasonal box comes out 4 times a year. It costs $49.99, but has a value of over $200 worth of products in each seasonal box. You can get $10 off your first FabFitFun box by using my code TracyLoves, which you can get to in the drop-down box below this video. What do I love about FabFitFun's seasonal box? The biggest thing that I love is that you can customize some of the items that will come in your box. That really appeals to me because I am someone who knows what they like and I know what works for me. I also appreciate that FabFitFun partners with charities each season and female-founded companies. With being a female and a small business owner myself, I can appreciate when a company such as FabFitFun wants to partner with someone. This is a great way for us to get our business out there, so that really does appeal to me. The other thing really is I just have been loving everything that has been coming in my boxes. I use everything, and some stuff I actually use on a daily basis, and I'll be sharing some of that with you today. I've actually went out and repurchased some of the items that I would have never had the option to even know if I liked without them coming in my seasonal box. All right, enough about that. Let's take a look at what came in my FabFitFun box. I'm going to start out by showing you the items that come in every single fall box. The first one is this body souffle by Human and Kind. Oh, it smells so good. It's a blend of apricot oil and shea butter. I love, love, love the smell, and it leaves your skin incredibly soft. This retails for $18. The next item is by Aveda. Believe it or not, many moons ago, I used to purchase this product. It's a leave-in product that you use after you wash and shampoo your hair. So when you get out, you brush your hair out and then you put this product in. I love it. I loved it then. I love it now. I just kind of got away from it and forgot about it. It's called Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This product instantly repairs your hair and protects it from heat styling up to 450 degrees. This retails for $30. You can see me using it here. I actually applied it this morning, and just to really see the effects of it, I did not put any product on my hair after putting the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair in. I just wanted to see kind of what happened with my hair without putting styling product in, and I would say that my hair turned out pretty good today. Another item that comes in every box is by Harper Plus Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. These are so decadent smelling, they make you want to eat them, but don't eat them because they're not to be ate, but they smell amazing. They are a great way to exfoliate your skin. This little gem retails for $16. Moving on to the items that all members will receive in their fall box. The first is the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. You will see me using it here. That's how I did my hair today. This styler has 100% ceramic plates that generates safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. It retails for $89.99. As I mentioned earlier, you will receive over $200 worth of products in each box. I am very impressed with how the ceramic styler worked on my hair today. I think it turned out great. Next is Nassif MD Detox Pads. I'm not sure if I'm saying everything correct, but I will have everything labeled. I loved these cleansing pads. They are so great. I do my makeup in a different order than a lot of people. I like to do my eye makeup first and then I do my face makeup. So today I use these cleansing pads in my morning skincare routine. After I applied my eye makeup, I wanted to clean up my face, so I used these pads. They deep clean, exfoliate, and firm your skin's appearance while softening fine lines and wrinkles. I love the way they left my skin, and I actually really love the smell of these as well. I don't know, I'm just one of those people that scent plays a big role in the things that I like to use. But these pads retail for $45 and I love them. I could see me going back and purchasing more of these. The next item that all members will receive in their box is by the Better Skin Co. Lava Magic. This is a 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask. It's enriched with nourishing ingredients to give your skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. It retails for $32 and I'm really loving it. Lastly, let me show you the items that came in my FabFitFun box that are for select members only. We have this set of 4 pencils by Tracy. It's called the Mini Eye Essentials. The set includes a soft brow pencil, long wearing eyeliner, and 2 velvety smooth shadow crayons. This set of 4 retails for $48. Lastly, we have the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. I used this today and I've been using it the last couple days. I'm loving this one too. This is gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. It retails for $30. Well, there's everything in my FabFitFun fall box. The other thing that I want to mention is every time you get your subscription box, you will get their little FabFitFun magazine. This is really great. First of all, it talks about all of the products that are coming in the box. It talks about what items come in every single box, what items come in all members boxes, and what items come in select members, and it gives details on each one. It also has the retail price, but there's also great articles in here. I just really been enjoying this, and I love the fact that it is included. I mean, look at this page here. This is all of the items that are going to come in there, and I don't know, this just really impresses me. So it's a great read. There's great articles. I even love reading about the editors, so watch for that to come in your subscription box as well. Don't forget to take advantage of $10 off your first FabFitFun subscription box by using my code Tracy Loves, which you can get to in the drop-down box below this video. For those of you that live outside of the US, realize that FabFitFun is available in not only Canada, but the UK as well. Lastly, I want to encourage you to sign up now so that you don't miss out on choosing the items that you can customize for your box. With that, thank you for joining me, and I will see you soon in the next video.